Hi, my name is Jason Yeo, and I am at Jefferson Institute for Bioprocessing doing my master's in engineering for biopharmaceutical processing and development. I chose Jefferson Institute for Bioprocessing due to its resources, being a part of Thomas Jefferson University, as well as the facility that is provided in this institution has tremendous potential in training the next generation of bioprocessing engineers and scientists. The faculty at Jefferson University are very helpful, energetic, and really passionate. All of the faculty members at Jefferson has been in industry for many years, and now they are here to teach us and to help train the next generation of bioprocessing engineers and scientists. In class, we have the opportunities to work with each unit operation that is present within the entire process of the monoclonal antibody platform. And using the single-use technologies, we have the opportunity to work with shake flasks, to wave bags, to bioreactors. And from there, we also have the chance to work with depth filters for harvesting, columns for purification and polishing, as well as ultrafiltration and downfiltration for buffer exchange and concentration. Right now, I'm working on a project involving tangential flow filtration that is a part of the entire process of a monoclonal antibody platform. I am currently working on mixing studies as well as diafiltration studies to exchange the buffer that a drug product is in to a more human-friendly buffer. Right now I'm working with the Acta Ready Flux, and this is the final step within the downstream for a monoclonal antibody production platform. The Acta Ready Flux utilizes tangential flow filtration to conduct buffer exchange in our solution. Usually this step is utilized in the last step of the downstream unit operations to conduct buffer exchange from one buffer to another that is suitable for human use. I definitely think that this is a priceless opportunity for me to be exposed to real-world applications of applying the biology, chemistry, and engineering principles that we've learned in class to real-world problems. Problems that the industry is facing, problems that patients are facing. And I think this is a really good opportunity for training the next generation of scientists and engineers to help solve and bring solutions to treat medical diseases.